Hi, this is Sara of Spa and Wellness Mexicaribe. I am here in the beautiful city of Puebla at the wonderful wellness resort Cartesiano. And at Cartesiano, they have just launched a new health and wellness coaching program, Pathways to Real Change. And it's been a really amazing week, immersive wellness experience. Really getting in touch with what we want our lives to look like in terms of health and wellness and our goals, experiencing amazing treatments, and the wonderful conscious nutrition program here at the hotel. Alina, tell us a little bit more about the wellness week that we've been experiencing here at Cartesiano.
Well, this is a first attempt, I think, in the world of spa and wellness to converge or to integrate the idea of a really meaningful wellness experience with long-term change. And I think that this is something that in years to come, people will be integrating more and more into their offering, because as you really know, Sarah, many of us go to the most beautiful and profound places in the world and have profound experiences, but then we leave, we go back home, and then what do we do with these? We feel sometimes that we may lack the support to really help us and guide us, and this is really about providing a support, a kind of a support and consolidation to what you've learned in the wellness space, how you've learned to understand what wellness means for yourself, self-care, and really the future of your health and wellness throughout your life.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Alina, for that summary. Some of my highlights have definitely been the wellness experiences, which have included gongs. I love gong baths, as many people know.
Me too.
And also the dance experiences. Dance is, such a great way to express yourself and move your body. What I love about the health and wellness coaching is that not only have we each had 3 sessions here with the coach, but we each have 3 sessions more with our coach at least once we go home from the week. So it really is about lasting change, as you said, Alina. The spa treatments are incredible here. Not only do we have all 4 of the Gharieni technologies, the only place in Latin America that has that, but the therapists themselves are really amazing technicians, and they do so many different varieties of wellness experiences and massages, including the bio-tuning, which is just fantastic experience. So if you have the chance, then definitely come to visit Cartesiano in Puebla in Mexico and experience their wonderful wellness programs. Thank you for watching. Ciao.